This is 90 Seconds with AFS. Originally known as Atieva, Lucid Motors was founded in 2007 in California. In 2021, Atieva merged with the SPAC Churchill, changing its name to Lucid and raising $4.4 billion. Lucid is headed by Peter Rawlinson, who came from Tesla. Alongside the CEO is an executive team with years of automotive experience, a rare quality in the world of EV startups. Rather than finding an existing manufacturing space, Lucid constructed a new plant in Arizona, thousands of miles from the center of the U.S. automotive supply chain. Lucid opened their plant in 2020 and began production and deliveries in the fourth quarter of 2021. Lucid currently only has one model, the Lucid Air, which has received largely positive reviews. Unfortunately for Lucid, the positive reviews haven't translated into the level of demand they were expecting. They delivered 125 vehicles in 2021 and reported a net loss of $700 million. In 2022, Lucid delivered a little over 4,300 vehicles and posted a net loss of $2.6 billion for the year. Deliveries in the first quarter of 2023 actually declined from the prior quarter to only 1,406 vehicles. For the full year, Lucid is expecting to build just over 10,000 vehicles. There's no doubt that Lucid has a demand problem, and it's not likely to improve materially over the next 12 months. The price of the Air sedan limits its own potential. A more mainstream model, the Gravity midsize crossover, is expected to start production in the second quarter of 2024. Lucid's biggest shareholder, the public investment fund of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, holds over 60% of the outstanding shares. Plans for another $3 billion stock offering, largely funded by the PIF, will be a necessary move to keep the venture afloat. For more detailed information on this and the whole automotive industry, check out the Auto Forecast Monthly. I'm Sam Fiorani, and this has been 90 Seconds with AFS.